One of the features that I love about LinkedIn marketing is you can search for any company anywhere in the world, and if they have a LinkedIn presence, you can find the decision makers that work at that company if they have a LinkedIn profile. Let's use an example. So I'm going to do a niche business. There's a winery down here in Victoria, which is where I'm from in Australia. We'll go to the Shandong. I can see that there are 34 employees at this company. If I go to people, click on the people tab, scroll down a bit further, you'll see here 3 decision makers. And if I click view using the sales navigator tool, that'll open up to those decision makers, and I can now connect and start building a relationship with them on LinkedIn. So that's the power that this platform has when it comes to getting your foot in the door with a very specific business and the key people inside that company in a matter of minutes. Hope this tutorial helped. Make sure you're subscribing or following us so you can get access to more LinkedIn marketing tips and tutorials.